stand by. Okay. Good. Let's see what they want tonight. Let's see. Oof. What do you know? More feminine care products. Dude, I can't win. Oh, bingo. That's just the one you want? Got it. Boom. Okay, so I'm missing this one for sure. There it is. Pomegranate. You got it, baby. And then oh, where did you just get that?
Around the like this. Like
oh, dude, it's right here. Beautiful. That's exactly what this guy's.
It's cute. This is so much money.
Yeah, I know. Seriously. Hey Siri, shuffle my music. All right. 7046. This is 7021. So it's on the other side of the street. Okay, got it. Uber Eats?
Yes.
That's me?
Yeah.
So sorry.
Thank you.
I saw you running around. I was like, I'm over here. No problem. No problem. Absolute pleasure. All right. Let's see what we got here. That's yours, right? Make sure you look in there. It's got everything.
Thank you.
Is it everything good in there?
It's okay. Thank you so
Yep.
much.
Okay. All right. Great. Have a great night. Happy Valentine's Day. Just do what I can. I'm gonna Google Map this shit because this thing gets funky. 1 minute away. Alrighty. Boom. GPS is always fucked up, but it looks like this is it. Must be just across the bridge. Leave it. Building reception? Hell yeah. God, that's way easier. That works. Knock two down with one punch. I like that. That shit was easy shit. Didn't have to go upstairs and fucking go through the fucking rat maze of trying to figure out whose apartment I'm at. Woo! Rock and roll. Let's do this. Let's do this shit. I hope there's not too much wind on this mic, but we'll see. So I'm not too worried about it, but I do want to test. Holy shit. Dude, that guy had a dog in a cage connected to his bike like a trailer. What the fuck? Dude, put your dog on a leash and fucking let him run next to you. Alright, now here we're coming up on some big stuff. Alright, so wait. I still can't believe what I just saw. Alright, and here we are.